Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from KuCoin to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified KuCoin account with XRP in your balance, and an Arculus wallet app installed on your device with a funded account ready to receive. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, and safety is key. Okay. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section, which is usually found in the main menu. From there, select Withdraw to open the withdrawal page. Step 2. In the withdrawal interface, search for XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. Make sure to copy this directly from your wallet to avoid any typos, as mistakes can lead to permanent loss of funds. If XRP requires a memo or tag, which it often does for certain wallets, enter that too. Don't skip this. Next, Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. KuCoin will show you any applicable fees, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not withdrawing more than intended. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and complete the two-factor authentication if prompted. After you submit, KuCoin will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet app and check your balance. Your XRP should be there. A quick tip. Always monitor transaction statuses on blockchain explorers like XRP Scan to verify everything went smoothly. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only withdraw what you need. There you have it. That's how to withdraw XRP from KuCoin to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.